Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, February 7th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you post your attendance. You can go ahead and do that now, or must make sure that you get that attendance posted. Also, teachers, please make sure you are syncing your grades in Schoology to PowerSchool. This needs to be done often. Late duty this week. Today we have Miss Check. Tomorrow we have Miss Cunningham. Wednesday, Miss Weaver. Thursday, Miss Washam. And Friday, Miss Wolf. Important dates. Today, Monday, February 7th, we have K through 2 PST. Tuesday, February 8th, we have 3 through 5 PST or something similar to those dates. Miss Horton sent out an email on Friday giving you some more information about PST, so check that email for more details. February 10th, the calendar option votes are due. February 16th, we have the PD during extended PE. February 21st, we have faculty meeting after school. That's going to be about ACAP. Loads of fun, I tell you. February 25th, students may wear jeans and school-appropriate Mardi Gras colored t-shirt for a $2 donation to the United Way campaign. And February 28th through March 2nd, no school for Mardi Gras break. We have a few important February dates. This whole month, we are celebrating African American History Month. February 7th through 11th is National School Counseling Week. That is this week. We will celebrate our counselor, Miss Pate. February 11th is International Day of Women and Girls in Science. February 7th, Random Acts of Kindness Day, one of my favorites. February 21st through 25th, Public Schools Week. And February 23rd, School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. Now, last week, I asked for some of our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders to submit some information for African American History Month. I asked them to write up a short biography about a famous African American, and they could email it to me or send me a message in Schoology with this information. Also, I asked the students to be willing to read about the person on the morning announcements. I asked that submissions are due by Friday afternoon, but I'm extending that a little bit into this week if anybody has some they would like to submit. I had fantastic success with this. I had lots of great students that sent me great information about some very interesting and important African Americans that were in our country and have done some great things. And today we are going to start off learning about Hank Aaron. So today we have some information that is going to be written and read by Augie Pham from Miss Overstreet's class. All right, here's Augie with a little bit of information about our very own Hank Aaron.
Hank Aaron, he played professional ball with the Black Bears. He was born in Mobile, Alabama. Yes, he played for, what's that? Milwaukee Braves. His parents told him to keep his eyes on the goal and be the best you can be. He thanks God for his amazing 713 home runs. The end.
Great job. Very interesting information about Mobile's own Hank Aaron, and excellent job, Augie. Thank you for that great work. Next, congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week. The top class with the highest percent of students with 30 minutes or more of engaged time. For K1, it's Miss Hogan's class with 91%. 2-3, Miss Kerr's class with 100%. Woo! And 4-5, Miss Wolf's class with 95%. The top students with the most lessons passed. In K1, we have Jeremiah Boone with 9 lessons. In 2-3, we have Tanila Utley with 10 lessons in Miss Kerr's class. And grade 4-5, none other than the Zalante Hollins in Miss Barnes' class with 9 lessons. Great job, students and classes, for getting all that engaged time and all those lessons passed. Nice work. The word of the day for today is parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that are always the same distance apart. So think about things like Railroad tracks are the lines on either side of the road. Lines that run alongside of each other and are always the same distance apart are parallel lines. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepard.